Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampingup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm featuring the beautiful Gallery 6x6 Designer Series paper. It's in our brand new Stampin' Up! Annual catalogue. If you live in New Zealand and you don't currently have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I'd be happy to send you this catalogue for free. Email me stampingmary, MERRY, @gmail.com. We're using this beautiful 6x6 paper. Now this is it's just beautiful paper, very old worldy kind of chocolate boxy kind of paper, I would say. Very vintage, not my usual style, but when I saw the paper, the catalogue doesn't really do it justice. You really have to see this paper in its in its natural form. So look, this beautiful look at this one. I didn't even notice that one till earlier. It's just beautiful. This one here, it's just, look, that one. I mean, it's frameable. You could literally frame it. In fact, in the catalogue, this beautiful gallery suite is over 4 pages. There's all different ideas of ways to use the various products. But it's a whole suite of products, but we're just focusing on this beautiful gallery paper today. And I'm going to make this box because when I saw this paper, I immediately thought of using it for the lid of a box. It reminded me of like an old style chocolate box, old style gift box. Isn't this beautiful? This one is focusing using one of our new in colors. The Secret Sea is the base, and this one I used the cloud cover as the base for this one. Cloud cover, oops, the bow just fell off them. Cloud cover and Secret Sea are my brand new 2 favorite colors in the Stampin' Up! World right now. So, whoops, that bow doesn't want to stay on. That's okay. Let's pop that to one side. I'm going to show you how to make this very easy box. We're going to use this one because this is so cute, right? I just love it. Look at the other side of it as well. So pretty. I'm going to use a piece of early espresso to go with this one. Now, the early espresso piece is 7 inches by 7 inches. And of course, we're going to use the whole piece of Designer Series paper for the lid. It's so beautiful. It would just make a beautiful frame as well. But let's go ahead and make the box. So as I said, 7 by 7 for the base. Grab your Simply Scored scoring tool. Let's pop that one out of the way because, right, and you're going to score at 1 1/4 on all 4 sides. And then with your Designer Series paper, you're going to score at 3/4 of an inch. Just be gentle when you're scoring because it's just paper and you don't want to rip it. And this is all 6x6 paper. And often with our 6x6 sheets, I often don't use them all, but I really think with this one, I'll be using everything. So just fold and score. Fold on all of those scored lines, fold them and burnish them. Your bone folder. And the paper. Super easy box to make, by the way. Super easy. Right. That's going to be so cute. So grab your paper snips or whatever your scissors you use. I'm using my Stampin' Up! Paper snips. And you're just going to, on each of these vertical score lines, you're going to cut on either side of that scored line. So either side of the scored line just makes that nice little wedge and helps the box go together. Turn it over, same on the other side. The early espresso is not the easiest one to see. Whoops, I didn't do that very well. and this side. And the same with the lid. So, which side should we cut? Just a tiny little wedge in the lid. So this, I'll be making other projects using the beautiful gallery suite of products. And there will be some stamping involved. But this one, no stamping, just focusing on this such pretty paper. Right, so I'm just going to use my Stampin' Seal. I should have my Stampin' Seal Plus because it's better for cardstock, but just use Stampin' Seal today. Go. We're just going. I just put adhesive on each of those tabs, fold it up. Oops. And bring it together just like that. And then the lid, same thing. Put your adhesive on the tabs. And just do one side and bring it round. Okay, and then when you put this over here, so I've just adhered 1/2 and I want to show you, oops, I didn't do a very good job of putting that one together. Let me just fix that a little bit. Okay, just want to show you. So if you just pop that down there, if you really want to make sure you have a nice tidy finish, you can actually wrap this around and then adhere. So you're going to adhere the lid on while it's sitting on top of the box, if that makes sense. I mean, I probably haven't explained that very well. If it's easier, just adhere your tape onto all of the tabs. It will fit. The box does fit. If I could just get my tape to come off, I'd be right. Here we go. So put that in. There we go. That one. Isn't that pretty? That's so, so pretty. I'm not even going to put a bow on there today. I'm just going to put this whole thing together, and when you put it on, you'll see you've got that nice, sorry, I'm doing that off camera, my apologies, making a lot of noise. And not showing you, right, so there it is. So you've got that nice, you can still see the colour of the cardstock below. Isn't that pretty? I'm not even going to put a bow on that one. Obviously, if you're giving it as a gift, now's a good time. You add a gift tag or whatever you want to it. Great size box. Here's the one with another colour. Great size box for making cards, popping cards in there. Anything really. I just really, really love this paper, and I do enjoy making 3D items and boxes. So there you go. There's the 3 I've actually made, the one we made today. What do you think? I hope you're going to give it a go. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary@gmail.com. I have put all the products I've used in the description bar below, and I've also included the dimensions for the boxes, the box. Have a great day, and thank you for watching. Bye now.